Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom by the book, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to do things exactly according to the rules. He isn't used to DIY work at home, so he was unsure when he bought something that had to be put together. I'll do this by the book to ensure it's done properly. I don't want to mess it up. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The police officer was arrested and is being questioned. We knew you didn't do everything by the book, but we never thought you'd stoop this low. There is a garage sale, but a local isn't too sure about the items. I don't think we should buy anything here. These people don't usually do things by the book. One of the friends is looking for advice and is wondering which friend to go to. If I was you, I wouldn't go to Ted. He never does things by the book. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The lawyers really want to win the case. Make sure we cover all bases and do everything by the book. We are not losing this one. Some of the staff seem to cut corners at times. Yeah, we do, but we know exactly what we are doing. New staff need to do everything by the book until you gain more experience. His performance review wasn't exactly what he wanted to hear. Sometimes you struggle to be creative, and I think some of it comes down to how committed you are to doing things by the book. Where did you hear the expression by the book? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.